ever have a strip lug nut? I got one that's real bad. And I got something off Amazon. Hopefully it'll work. Wife's gonna pull up pretty soon with the car. Let's see if we can get this lug nut off so I can get the winter tires on. So let me show you what I got. Got this YekePro lug nut set. I got this one because it has a 16 millimeter. I'm supposed to have a 17, but I think I stripped it so bad that I'm going to be using this. Look at the cut on that. That's supposed to grip right there. That sharp edge is pretty sharp. It's supposed to grip the lug and just rip it off. Let's see how it does. All right, this is 17 millimeter. That thing's completely stripped. We'll see if we can take this. That's too big. Thought I could do the 16. Let's do the 17. Take this, hammer it on. Get it on there nice and tight. Take your impact. Holy crap. Came out. All right, what'd you think? This little guy saved the day. Now, for the price, if I'd have taken it into the repair shop, I would have probably paid more than what I paid for this. Again, it cuts into the lugs, and you see a picture of what it did to the wheels, the wheel lug. It cut right into the top of that and pull out. Now, BMW uses studs and not lugs, but either way, it's going to work on either or. So you get a variety of sizes. You also have this bar that you would put this in a vise and use that with your same hammer and knock the stud out. So let me know what you think. Link in the description. I like it. It worked well. I'll throw this in my toolbox if I ever strip a bolt again. Now, it not only works on lug nuts, it'll work on any strip bolt. So yeah, let me know what you think. Drop it in the comments. And always, thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll talk to you soon.